Immersive deep cleaning. First, let's clean the living room and attach a rag to the cleaning cart. Starting the cleaning. So much fun, haha. It looked clean, but the mop is still quite dirty. Let's use a lint roller on the carpet. It's so dirty. Leave the glass windows to clean. Next, let's clean the kitchen. Clear off the stovetop and give it a good scrub. Then wipe it dry with a rag. Clean the countertop thoroughly as well. Let's clean the crevices and details too. It's so clean after finishing. Next, let's clean the sink and give the faucet a good scrub. So clean and tidy. I love it. Continuing to clean the bathroom. First, let's clean the bathroom mirror cabinet. Draw a smiley face. Hee hee. Now wipe it off. It's so clean and bright after cleaning. Next, let's clean the countertop and the wash basin. Let's clean the drain. Let it sit for a while. Rinse it clean, and soak up the water. It's just so comfortable to look at when it's clean. Next is the toilet part. The air freshener is empty. The toilet bowl cleaner is also empty. Toss, toss, toss. Start cleaning. First, spray some foam. Blue plus pink turned into purple. Haha. Let it sit for a while and then rinse it clean. Next, squeeze on some little flowers. Then hang up a new toilet bowl cleaner. Refill the air freshener with a new one. Next, let's clean the bathtub. First, clear everything out. Rinse it clean.